The volume occupied by 1.58 gram of a gas at STP is 500 cm cube. What is the relative molecular mass of the gas? Grand molar volume at STP is 22.4 dm cube. Now, 1 mole of any gas at STP will occupy 22.4 dm cube. Okay, I know that 1 mole of a gas will give you the molecular mass of the gas if you find the mass. So just write x gram of the gas at STP will give you 22400 cm cube. Now, if you know something, I've converted 22.4 dm cube to cm cube. So this one and this one are the same. This one is in cm cube, while this one is in dm cube. Now I'm using cm cube because what I'm giving is in cm cube. So if x gram of the gas occupies 22400 cm cube, what will 1.58 gram occupy? So this one will just give me 500 cm cube, as you can see here. So I'm just looking for x. So what I'll do is just to cross multiply. So x, cross multiply and divide both sides straight up. So x will just be 22400 times 1.58. So we will divide this by 500. So just press this out in your calculator, or using the JAMB calculator, you will get 70.784 as your answer, which is approximately 71 grams. That means 1 mole of the gas is weighs 71 grams. Okay, so check the options. So you can see this is the answer here, 71 grams. Want more videos like this? Click the follow button and don't forget to share and like this video. Thank you for watching.